Assalamu alaikum grade 5 students. How are you all? Okay, great. So grade 5 students, tell me, does your mother wear rings or jewelry having stones in them? Great. So what kind of stones do you see there? Okay. Has anyone from your family performed Hajj or Umrah and told you about the big holy stone there? Do you know what that stone is called? So what do you see mostly alongside the road while you are traveling, especially to a hilly area? Yes, many different types of rocks. So you might be thinking that why I am discussing with you about stones and rocks. You know why? Because today we are going to start a new chapter, and our chapter name is the Holy Black Stone. The Holy Black Stone. The Holy Black Stone. And you know that always we start a new chapter with new terminologies. Tomorrow inshallah I will tell you the story of this chapter, but today we have to learn some new terms from this chapter. And you know the rule. First I will say a term 3 times and you have to repeat the same terms with me 2 times. Okay, so our first terminology is mineral. 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 Okay, repeat with me class. Mineral. Mineral. Good. Our next terminology is rocks. 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 Okay, repeat with me class. Rocks. Good. Rocks. Our third terminology is igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. Okay, repeat with me. Igneous rocks. Good. Igneous rocks. Okay. The next terminology is metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Okay, repeat with me class. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. And our next terminology is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Okay. The final term is meteorite. 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 Okay, repeat with me class. Meteorite. Meteorite. Okay, now I will explain you all the terms one by one, and we will also show you the pictures of all the terminologies. Okay, now be careful. So the first terminology is mineral. So what is mineral? A substance that is naturally present in the earth and is not formed from animal or vegetable matter. For example, gold, salt, and graphite. So the next terminology is rocks. Okay, let's discuss that. What are rocks? Hard material or stone that forms the part of the surface of the earth is called rocks. Yes, and you can see the pictures here. Okay, the next terminology is igneous rocks. So what are igneous rocks? Igneous rocks are formed when magma, melted lava, becomes solid. For example, granite. igneous rocks वो होती हैं जब लावा जो है वो मेल्ट होकर दोबारा सॉलिड हो जाता है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? igneous rocks. और उसकी एग्जांपल क्या है? ग्रेनाइट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी इज metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Okay, so what are metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks are formed by the action of heat or pressure. For example, marble, slate, So these are metamorphic rocks. Okay, so the next terminology is sedimentary rocks. So what are sedimentary rocks? Connected with or formed from the sand, stone, mud under the surface of water on the floor of lakes and ocean. For example, clay, sandstone, and so these are called sedimentary rocks. And our last terminology is meteorite. So what are meteorite? A piece of rock or iron from outer space that hits the earth's surface. So these are our new terminologies from the chapter the holy black stone. So now I am going to tell you the assignment. Okay, so your homework assignment is you have to write all these terms in your copies, and you have to write the explanation as well, and you have to send this page to your teacher. And you also have to visit YouTube and you have to search more about these rocks. So I hope that you understand your today's assignment. Inshallah, tomorrow I will tell you the story of the chapter, the holy black stone.